Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to walk through how to zip files and folders on your Mac. It's super easy, and this guide will show you exactly how to do it. Short pause. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is select all the files and folders we want to zip. In this example, I'm just using a single folder here on my desktop. Once you've highlighted everything, right-click on the selected files or folders. In the context menu that pops up, you're looking for the option that says Compress, followed by the name of your file or folder in quotes. Short pause. Go ahead and select Compress. After a few seconds, your Mac will zip everything up. It will automatically name the zip file the same name as the original file or folder you compressed. Of course, you can always rename it later, just like any other file. Just click on it and rename as you see fit. Short pause. Alright, so now we've got our zip file created. If you want to, you can actually delete the original files and folders now, because they're safely tucked away inside that zip archive. Short pause. And when you want to access the contents again, simply double-click the zip file to open it. Your Mac will extract the files and folders into the same directory where the zip file is located. Open up the extracted folder, and you can access all your files and start using them like normal. And now that you've extracted everything, you can even delete the zip file if you don't need it anymore. Short pause. And that's it. Zipping files on your Mac is that simple. Slightly more energetic tone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. All relevant links, if any, will be in the description. And while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.